A day in the life as a teacherpreneur mom of 3 na lumalaban sa buhay kahit walang kalaban, ganun.
Yes, for today's video guys, sumana ang ato ang output. Naday ta diri guys sa Grand Summit Hotel Johnson. Nag-set up ta guys for our acquaintance party. And baka happy lang guys na bisag kadlawon na ni guys na atay output na nahimo today. This is a 4-hour setup decoration. Purely balloons lang ni guys and styro. Actually guys, ganahan ko mag-set up pag ganang balloons lang yun siya tanan. Kaya para sa ako medyo limpyo siya tanawon ba. So finishing touches na lang ta ani na part guys. Kabalo mo ang excitement level na ko ani is 1000%. Guys, nindot kay siya ang effects sa lights guys. Ato apod na ang lights anak guys. So gitry lang ako siyang i-video with lights kay feeling ako nindot kay siya. And baka happy pod guys no kay part ko ani na event and then ako pod nag-decoration with my team. And during the event, syempre rampahan na to na siya guys. During the event, charot. So nagsayo gid mig adto dira guys for the benefit of pictures. Yes guys, kay dili na ko gusto ma-miss ang moment na ma-capture siya. Wala pa kay tao as you can see. So mo ni siya ang before and during. See the difference during decoration and during the event aurahan. Pak. Diba? Thank you so much to my team for making this possible as always. Sila jud na ako ang backup permi guys na madali-dali. So mao lang to ang highlight sa tanan guys. Of course, ang number 1 supporter si Papa Alvin since then. And that's it. So thank you so much for always supporting our small business guys, lalo na sa recommendations ni Sir Leo Deri. Bye bye guys.